impressions, clicks, engagement. What are those? Let me help you level up your marketing game through this acronym, RISE. First up, let's talk about reach. Reach measures the total number of unique users who have seen your content. The goal is to gain higher views and ensure maximum exposure for your brand. Next, we have impressions. Impressions refer to the total number of times your content has been displayed, regardless or whether it was clicked or not. Next is clicks. Clicks measures the number of times users interact with your content by clicking on it. This will drive traffic to your site and convert potential users into loyal customers. Lastly, we have engagement. Engagement encompasses everything: likes, comment, shares, and other interactions with your content. Through this, you can build meaningful connections with your audience. And there you have it, RISE. Reach, impressions, clicks, and engagement. Message us and visit our website, fortifyseo.com. Let's talk and be fortified.